can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency markets. Good times have returned back to the cryptocurrency market. All coins are pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Bitcoin has crossed to new all-time highs, currently trading above $111,000. Price discovery, waiting for the altcoin market to catch up to Bitcoin, waiting for Bitcoin dominance to dump. We'll be looking at US dollar price chart for Bitcoin, total crypto market cap, and Bitcoin dominance. We're going to be looking at news stories going around the general cryptocurrency market. We have grade in the cryptocurrency market. We're still waiting for that tick towards extreme grade. How long will it take us to get there? When will this rally stop? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 month, we have seen a huge bounce in the altcoin market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is having a nice time, rallying up by 25% over the last 1 month. Ethereum is up 62%. We can see that the altcoin market is bouncing way harder than Bitcoin. But guys, regardless of what altcoins are doing, Bitcoin has rallied to new all-time highs. Bitcoin is one of the only coins in the cryptocurrency market right now that everybody that bought Bitcoin before today is in profit. At $111,000, Bitcoin has come a long way from as low as $1 way back in 2011. Bitcoin has risen up thousands of percentages, which means the higher we go, the more people become greedy. The higher we go, the more market participants. This time is different. Guys, I don't think this time is different. Bitcoin has rallied up by more than 600% from the bottom. Can we continue going high? There's always that possibility. But remember, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. If you're one of those smart players that bought Bitcoin at $15,000, and right now Bitcoin is trading around $105,000, you're up a whooping 600%. I want to tell sign, guys, that we might really be at the end of this rally, even though Bitcoin is at a new all-time highs, even though we're seeing all coins just stalling, is Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance is a very key factor in the cryptocurrency market. So we can see altcoin pumping, we can see Bitcoin pumping, we can see green in the cryptocurrency market. But guys, at any point in time, if we see Bitcoin pumping aggressively, if we see the altcoin market waiting for Bitcoin, and we see Bitcoin dominance showing signs of dump, historically, that has been happening at the end of a cycle. We saw a little dump in Bitcoin dominance. That was in November 2021. We saw the impact that had on the altcoin market. Bitcoin dominance went from 61%. We saw it dump back to 54%. We saw XRP shooting to the moon. We saw XLM shooting to the moon. We saw Bitcoin itself. Even though Bitcoin was pumping, we saw a lot of altcoins that outperformed Bitcoin. I believe that was just a test altcoin season. We're going to see a wonderful one, an epic one, where Bitcoin dominance will have a wonderful crash. Maybe Bitcoin dominance will come below the 53% region. I imagine Bitcoin dominance tanking by around 15%. I expect that capital to flow back into the altcoin market. I expect that capital to flow into the meme coin market. If you take a look at the meme coin market, top meme coins on market capitalization, the last 30 days have seen huge bounce in the meme coin market. This cycle has been a meme cycle. We've seen a lot of tokens launch, a lot of meme coins launch, and right now it feels like meme coins are outperforming huge coins in the market. PP over the last 30 days is up 74%. Over the last 60 days is up 91%. Official Donald Trump coin is up 72%. Bonk is up 62%. Dogecoin, the king of meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, is up 47%. Huge gains in the meme coin market. But remember, guys, those huge gains don't last forever. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, even though the market is still in greed, the top 10 is still unchanged. Bitcoin is the king of the market, trading above $100,000. Bitcoin's market cap sits above $2.2 trillion. Coming as a distant second is Ethereum with a market cap of over $315 billion, with Ethereum's price sitting at the $2,600 level. But guys, if you take a quick glance at what the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have done over the last 30 days, Bitcoin is doing well. Bitcoin is up 25%, but we can see that all coins in the cryptocurrency market are catching up to Bitcoin or are even trying to surpass Bitcoin. So over the next few days, we'll be watching out for sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's greed. Yesterday, there was greed. Last week, that was great, but this time last month, sentiment was still neutral. Remember, in April, there was talks about Trump tariffs, the China war. We're going to see trade collapse, yada, yada, yada. In less than 30 days, market participants are back to greed, and that's why you should always pay attention to sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. 1 minute, there's greed in the market. The next second, there's extreme fear in the market. If you want to make good money in the cryptocurrency market, guys, you have to pay attention to sentiment. Sentiment right now is showing us that there's greed. And if you take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, in the last 24 hours, more than 121,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in at around $503 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader lost $6.36 million. Be careful out there, guys. Right now, I believe the shorts are getting blown out. Everybody that shorted Bitcoin before today has been in a loss. Think about that. For Bitcoin to be in all-time highs, it means all the bears have been wrecked. After all the bears have wrecked, what will happen? The bulls will start getting wrecked. Remember, the game is to buy low and is to sell high. We have been on this uptrend over the last 2 years. At some point in time, it's come to an end. Nobody can predict the exact time it's come to an end. But guys, the higher we go, the closer we get to the finish line. Total crypto market cap sits around the $3.43 trillion. With Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs, I will not be shocked if total crypto market cap also pokes to new all-time highs over the next few days. But as we're poking to new all-time highs in total crypto market cap, I expect Bitcoin to stall, Bitcoin to go sideways, while the altcoin market will have that one final push to the moon, guys. I believe this is just a bear market rally. That's what we have been doing since 2022. That's why this cycle just feels different. Even though Bitcoin is pumping, even though some altcoins are pumping here and there, we have most altcoins in the cryptocurrency market far below their all-time highs. Think about it, guys. Bitcoin's in all-time highs. Total crypto market cap is less than 10% from a new all-time highs. How many altcoins are less than 10% from their all-time highs? That have showed us that a lot of people have piled into Bitcoin, and a huge reason why I believe this cycle might be over in the coming days and the coming weeks is that we are seeing a classic wave B occurrence by institutional investors. Institutional investors have been driving this rally. We've been hearing talks of one company after the other buying Bitcoin. So you might be wondering, why is Bitcoin at new all-time highs without retail euphoria? It's because retail is not buying Bitcoin. We have seen data over the last few weeks that retail has been a net seller of Bitcoin over the last 1 year. Institutions have been buying their bags. Remember, guys, institutions are just human beings. They are human beings with large chunks of money. They can also be wrong at the extreme. I believe right now, institutions are making a big mistake. They had the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at $15,000, buying at $100,000. Only time will tell. Let's take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Hyperliquid sees $1.1 billion long bet open at 40x leverage. That's another crazy sign that we're at the top. Market participants are getting very comfortable. Imagine opening a 40x, $1.1 billion leverage on Bitcoin at all-time highs. History has shown us when we get all-time highs, we continue pumping, but at some point in time, that will be wrong, and a lot of bulls are going to get wrecked. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF notches 2 weeks high inflow as BTC nears $112,000. Bitcoin continues to rally past $110,000 for the first time in Bitcoin history. Guys, think about that for a second. Anybody that bought Bitcoin before today is in sweet profit. If you're looking for a best time to buy, you want to be selling all-time highs. If you're looking for a best time to get out of your bags in huge positions, you want to do that in all-time highs, because you have to ask yourself this question. If I'm buying Bitcoin at $110,000, it has to go to $220,000 for you to be up 100%. A lot of market participants will rather gamble on lower meme coins, lower altcoins that have less than $1 billion market cap. They could easily double to $1 billion, but Bitcoin, the king of the market cap is sitting at $2.2 trillion out of the total $3.40 trillion we have in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance might be reducing for the altcoin market to have a great time. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, that's a telltale sign of what will come in the altcoin market. We saw a huge pump over the last 1 month. Ethereum has rallied up by 60%. I'll not be shocked if the ending part of this rally, we see Ethereum going up for the final push to the upside. Guys, at the ending part of the rally, market participants get more risky. Market participants take more risks. A lot of them have missed out the rally from the bottom. So right now, they are trying to recover all those losses, those imaginary losses, or those imaginary gains they would have made. So be very, very careful out there, guys. We might be seeing huge pumps to the upside, huge liquidations for the bears that have been shorting all coins thinking they will never pump, they will get liquidated. And for those bears to get liquidated, we'll be pumping to higher prices. So over the next few days, we'll be expecting huge pumps with Bitcoin first crossing all-time highs. We expect the altcoin market to join in the party. Pompiano-led focused crypto sparks gained 7% on Nasdaq after upside IPO. Australian regulators asked High Court to appeal in blocks NRKs. VanEck to launch Avalanche Ecosystem Fund. US lawmakers reintroduce bill amid pushback on Trump crypto ties, and the Trump dinner is going to be happening today. 220 holders of the Trump coin, top 220 holders, will be having an exclusive dinner with the US president. Solana Mobile revealed trustless architecture token for Sika device. Sam Altman raises $135 billion from Anderson Brain to expand network. Bitcoin has hit new all-time highs. Are the bulls done yet? Are we seeing an unhealthy leverage use? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Bitcoin right now? Do you believe it's up only $120,000, $140,000? How high do you see Bitcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? All coins are pumping. Solana is pumping. Ethereum is pumping. Are you waiting for that epic alt season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications and get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, not even pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.